I'll put a link in the description, but here's what it is. It comes in 4 pieces, and they say that you don't need to remove the top to install it. We'll have to see. There's it's all adhered with Velcro. This is what it looks on the side that'll face everybody. So it looks real nice. Obviously made in China, and it comes with a lovely 120 pack of Velcro strips that I'll get to put on by myself. But yeah, it should be pretty straightforward to put in. I went ahead and cleaned the inside of my top because it's pretty gross, and put some rubbing alcohol on it too to try to get a good clean surface that the Velcro will stick to. But I'm not going to bore you with all the details of installing Velcro, but we'll see how it goes. So if you want to fill every space with Velcro, because I think the easiest way to do this is put the Velcro pieces on first, peel them off, and then just stick it up onto the top. But if you want to put Velcro on every space to make sure it stays up there and nothing droops, you're going to run out of Velcro. So don't do it quite the way I did. I got to go back and make it a little bit sparser on these pads so that I have some more Velcro pieces. Okay, so this is the pattern I ended up with. That's the back hardtop. This is the center piece. You can see it's cut out for the sound bar. And then these are how I did the freedom panels. So they don't really fit perfectly, but I think it's gonna fill that space pretty well, and hopefully it'll look nice when it's all done. But I'm gonna start peeling and sticking, and I'll show you what the freedom panels look like when I get those done. So installation onto the freedom panels was really easy. And the 3M double-sided Velcro tape peeled off easier than I thought it might, so it really didn't take very long. And then take your time lining things up, but it doesn't immediately stick, so you can actually move it around a little bit if you need to. So far, so good. Okay, so here's the final product. So I did put the back seats down to make it easier to just be up there and sit where I needed to get access to the sports bar area. And let me say in advance, you really need to have a plan of how you're going to stick it up there before you peel all the Velcro sticky stuff off. It's a little bit unwieldy when it can stick to everything. So test it out, figure out how you want to get it up there. So here's how it looks. Here's the back area, and you can see it doesn't fit the contours of the top perfectly, and it looks like these stitched areas, you'd think that those would fit where the depressions are in the hardtop, but they don't. That's just where the Velcro is stitched. So it doesn't fit exactly, but for the price that I paid, I'm pretty happy with it, of how it looks anyway. Sports bar area looks pretty much the same, and it doesn't fit this contour exactly, and you can see that the stitching doesn't line up with the depressions there in the top, but the Velcro, the 3M Velcro tape sticks really well, at least for now. Live in Houston, so when the sun is pounding on this thing and it's 150 degrees inside here, don't know if the tape's still going to stick, so that remains to be seen. Remains to be seen if it actually does anything for insulation. But as far as appearance goes, I think it looks pretty nice and gives it a little bit of takes away some of that white that's in the top, so that's fine. That's kind of what I was looking for a little bit. And it only took me about an hour to get the whole thing installed, and that includes cleaning the top, so I'm pretty happy with that. And it's not the $400 match that you can get out there that I'm sure fit exactly perfectly, but for the price, I'm willing to see what it does and how it works, and all else fails. Should be easy to pull off as well, because it's just Velcroed up there, and that tape should come off, and then I'll just probably have to deal with some Gooby Gone or something. But anyway, not too bad. I hope this video is helpful for somebody, and feel free to thumbs up, subscribe, ring a bell, all those things that everybody on YouTube tells you to do. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a good one.